Maker's Journey here. Going to go ahead and try to do a quick project. I'm going to, all my belts are right, let me see if I can get this right. Right there, the dirt on the nails. Right there. So I'm just gonna make some round cylinders to put on the wall and just to hang them off of so it's nice and neat and things like that. So it should be a quick project, but it is something, a simple way of hanging your belts up. I'm gonna make them about 4 inches long, maybe 2 or 3 inches in diameter. So, all right.
I don't know, I'm guessing about, I think it'll take up to a 13 inch or 14 inch. I think it said about 14 or something. That was pretty good. There's a storm going on out there.
So I'm thinking maybe another one over here and one on the other side. All right, recently the motor blew up on this thing. So I went ahead and just stuck something on here temporary, and it's 1800 RPMs. I'm planning on getting a 34 or 35 or something like that and sticking it on there. It'll probably be maybe 2 or 3 horsepower. This is a 1 horsepower at 1800 RPMs. It works pretty good. And I built this mainly because I wanted one. They just really come in handy. I use it a lot. So. But I have intentions on getting a newer motor very soon, and also getting a better switch system on and off. And I think I'm going to get a variable speed motor. Again, I really like the fact I could change the variable speed. And on Amazon, they have these frequency changers. I'm really thinking about picking one of those up, see if they work or not. So anyway, there it is. And if you guys want to know a little bit more about this and what I did, just leave a comment. Maybe I'll make a video kind of just pointing some things out on how I made this. So, Or maybe I'll make another one. Not good to leave your belts under load either. I might do little projects like that on me just setting things on up in the shop. If you're interested in that, leave a comment. And please like and subscribe. Later.